is Travis Ellis. Title is software manager, and what that involves to do here, a little bit of everything. You're doing software, you're doing electrical, you're doing mechanical, you're doing, you name it, you're doing it. As a software manager, I make sure my guys have the stuff that they need. They were kept up on the jobs that we're doing, making sure that everything going out the door is where it needs to be, how it's supposed to function, making sure the customer is getting what they want in the software to make the machine handle correctly. I have now worked here for going on, what, 16 years? Almost 17 years now. Favorite thing about working here? It's never the same thing, ever. Every day we're doing something different here. If you wanna do the same things, don't come here. That's not what we do. Every day we appeal to what the customers want, and we are always trying to do better. So every day, every machine is something different than what we did the last machine. So you're always on your toes, always staying up to date with things. Something unique about Phallus would be the fact that it's such a small company that your voice really has a say-so, and you actually really know everyone. Meaning, you may say something and I may say, "Ooh, I got a good idea on it." I know you well enough because we're such a small company, I can come to you and present that idea. Whereas here you get to say, you get to have an input in what's being done.